Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today we will discuss about CCC Cloud Technology Associate. This is a foundation-level certification that qualifies candidates the background, concepts, ideas, and terminology of cloud computing, who should take the exam. The Cloud Technology Associate certification intends to strengthen fundamental knowledge of cloud computing concepts. The exam is intended for the following audience. 1. IT specialists, analysts, developers, architects, testers, etc. 2. IT administrators, network, system, database, etc. 3. Solution consultants. 4. IT provisioning and maintenance, hardware, network, storage, etc. 5. IT managers. 6. Other functions affected by cloud, sales, purchase, audit, legal, etc. Learning objectives. 1. Identify the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and virtualization, including business benefits of cloud computing and technical aspects, high level of virtualization. 2. Identify the technical challenges and the mitigation measures involved in cloud computing and virtualization. 3. List the steps to successfully adopt cloud services. 4. Identify the characteristics of cloud applications. 5. Define cloud security and identify the risks involved in cloud computing, as well as risk mitigation measures. 6. List the factors involved for the implementation of different cloud models. Exam format. 1. Exam name is Cloud Technology Associate. 2. Number of questions are 40. 3. Passing score is 65%. 4. Exam duration is 60 minutes. 5. Exam fee is $549 US. 6. Delivery is proctored online. How to schedule the exam. Generally, the CCC Cloud Technology Associate exam is scheduled by your training provider. Candidates who want to register for the exam can contact their training provider, who will book the certification exam for them. If you have chosen an online, self-study option, you will be able to use the voucher provided with the training material. Exam detailed course outline. Domain 1, Course Introduction. This can be explained in 6 parts. 1. Understand the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and virtualization. 2. Understand all the business benefits of cloud computing and technical aspects, high level, of virtualization. 3. Classification of the technical challenges and the mitigation measures involved in cloud computing and virtualization. 4. Learn the latest digitization trends linked with cloud computing. 5. Defining cloud security and identifying the risks involved in cloud computing, as well as the risk mitigation measures. 6. Learn the step, successfully adopt cloud services. Domain 2, Introduction to Cloud Services Model. This can be explained in 7 parts. 1. Get acquainted with challenges and concerns for traditional computing methodology. 2. Defining NIST's and Gartner's definition of cloud computing. 3. Demonstrate the evolution of cloud computing and list the cloud's essential characteristics, service models, and deployment models. 4. Definition of NIST's cloud taxonomy, service provider versus consumer responsibility model, and cloud actors, service providers, consumers, auditors, carriers, brokers. 5. The difference between traditional and cloud computing models in terms of business value. 6. Listing all the cloud computing benefits and its challenges. 7. Defining the various common cloud terminologies used in cloud computing. Domain 3, Introduction to Virtualization, the backbone technology of cloud computing. This can be explained in 6 parts. 1. Understanding the definition, history, and fundamental notions of virtualization, including the relationship between virtualization and cloud computing. 2. Understanding the advantages, challenges, risks, and suitability of virtualization to organizations. 3. Learning all about hypervisor and its role in virtualization, and different types of hypervisors. 4. Recognizing the leading hypervisor manufacturers and service providers using them. 5. Understanding the different virtualization terminologies. 6. Understanding briefly about various types of virtualization, server, storage, network, desktop, application. Domain 4, the role of cloud, and other technologies in digital transformation. This can be explained in 4 parts. 1. Understanding the concepts of big data, and big data analytics, Hadoop, NoSQL databases, and their characteristics, and types. 2. Learning all about the Internet of Things, and its types. 3. Explaining the course of cloud computing, and DevOps together. 4. Getting to know the latest digitization trends, in artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Domain 5, cloud security, risk, compliance, and governance. This can be explained in 4 parts. 1. Understanding the general definitions of IT security, risk and risk management. 2. Understanding the role of IT compliance and audits. 3. Reviewing the impact of cloud essential characteristics, cloud service models, cloud deployment models on business value and risk. 4. Identifying common cloud attack vectors and remediating controls. Domain 6, preparing for cloud adoption. This can be explained in 5 parts. 1. Explaining typical steps that lead to the successful adoption of cloud computing services. 2. Drawing the appropriate solution architectures for various service and deployment models. 3. Understanding the organizational capabilities that are relevant for realizing cloud benefits. 4. Mastering the roles and capabilities of cloud computing providers, vendors, and dependencies on vendors. 5. Drawing multiple approaches for migrating applications. Exam policies. Exxon is an innovative driver for professional growth that strives to continually evolve and develop as an organization. Being a leading provider of vendor-neutral certification programs, it provides exam policies to ensure that potential candidates are able to derive a positive outcome. The vendor makes sure that candidates are familiar with the exam procedures and policies before the actual exam. Now let's discuss about preparatory guide. 1. Review exam objectives. Before venturing on any journey, one must have a clear idea of what he or she is putting themselves into. With that being said, reviewing each and every exam objective becomes the most important part of your preparation. 2. CCC Online Self-Study Plan. Candidates can purchase any study plan in accordance with their examination using the CCC Self-Study Plan. 3. Training course. Getting hands-on experience is the most important experience for exams like the Cloud Technology Associate exam. And the only way you can achieve is through training course. You can easily begin with training courses. 4. Online forums. Online forums and study groups are a great way to prepare for the Cloud Technology Associate exam. Therefore, feel free to get in touch with other candidates through study forums or online groups to ask a question related to the topic you're having difficulty with. 5. Official study resources. There is nothing more genuine and authentic than the official study resources if you are preparing for the CCC Cloud Technology Associate exam. Study resources such as white papers, podcasts and webinars are considered important to strengthen your preparation process. 6. Practice tests. This final step will give the candidate the exact insight of the topics in which they're lacking. So, make sure you're going through sample tests after you have gone through the entire syllabus. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.